Scots, I'm Isabella.
And I'm Celeste. Welcome back to another episode of Scots Weekly.
Hey Celeste, got any plans tonight?
Not really. Why? What's going on?
There's a football game happening tonight and everyone's wearing pink. We should totally go.
That sounds like fun. But first, let's get into the school announcements for the week.
First up, attention AP students. Today's the last day to register for your exams.
Don't get hit with that $40 late fee.
The final day to register without a late fee is today, so do not wait.
Head to the finance office or sign up online today.
Plus, Club Rush happened last week. Make sure to follow up with any clubs you signed up for during the event.
And if any clubs have announcements or video ideas, be sure to reach out to Mr. Zavala either during lunch at 11D or by email anytime.
Finally, Red Ribbon Week is happening next week.
The purpose for this week is to promote a drug-free lifestyle and raise awareness about the dangers of drug use.
Check out this flyer with awesome dress-up days for all next week.
Plus, Halloween is happening next Friday, so you should be getting your costumes ready for the big night.
Now for a quick commercial break.
We will be back soon, Scots.
It's time for Think It, Link It, Ink It.
Hey there, Scots. I'm Jacob. We all know that creating great notes is an important skill to learn in high school.
I'm Annabelle. This year at Highland, the staff is working hard to get all of us students to be excellent note creators with a process called Focus Notes.
Focus notes is an important process because it helps students put notes into their own words, dig deeper into thinking, and learn a way to study.
Have you been learning how to produce focus notes this year?
Tune in next week when we'll begin showcasing some of you to show us great examples of how to
Think it, link it, and ink it with focus notes.
Hey Scots, we have to say congratulations to Highland's VIA Art team for winning Best Overall High School at this year's VIA Art Festival. This is the third year in a row our talented artists have brought home the top award. An amazing accomplishment. Be sure to check out some photos and videos from the event. Great job, Scots artists. Keep up the creative work.
Thanks for that video.
Let's check in with our sports team.
Welcome Scots, I'm Eliana Burquez.
I'm Tessa Agerton.
And I'm Tiffany Torres.
Welcome to sports.
Today, we'll cover up all the upcoming games here at Highland. First up, attention all softball players. The season is almost here. Please visit Classroom 7K and scan the QR code to complete the registration form. Don't forget to also complete your Sportsnet registration and upload a current physical to your account to be eligible to play.
Up next, the cross country completes at Mount Sac Invitational at San Antonio College tomorrow. Good luck to all the Highland runners. Go Scots!
Now for water polo. As the regular season enters its final 2 weeks with 4 games left, the boys and the girls varsity teams are battling hard to make Highland history by earning a spot in the playoffs for the very first time. Keep up the hard work, everyone.
Plus, varsity girls golf completes in the CIF Central Section South Area Championships for the team division of 2 and 3. Good luck, Lady Scots.
Finally, today is our breast cancer awareness game against Frontier.
Join us in honoring those affected by breast cancer by watching the Red Cross participants in Cup for the Cure, as well as our Little Scots Night.
JV starts at 5 p.m. and varsity at 7:30 p.m. We hope to see you there.
Make sure to wear pink to the football game.
That's it for us, Scots. Let's get back to the lab.
Have a great day, Scots. Don't forget to show your support and plat up for our team.
Peace out, Scots.
This kid is special, man. This.
Don't forget to come to the Pink Out game tonight. Pink Out game tonight.
Against Frontier.
Be there or be square.
Bally's on me! Bally's on 3! 1, 2, 3, guys!
Welcome back.
Liliana has another quick announcement. Listen up.
Hi Scots, I'm Lily, and next week is Red Ribbon Week. Let's show our school spirit and take a stand against drugs. Here's what's happening each day. Monday, team up against drugs. Wear your school's colors. Tuesday, too bright for drugs. Show off your neon or bright colors. Wednesday, put a cap on drugs and wear your favorite hat or cap outside of class. Thursday, get ready to be drug free and wear red to show your school spirit. Friday, say boo to drugs and dress up in your school appropriate Halloween attire. Let's make this Red Ribbon Week one to remember. Stay drug free, stay strong, and stay plaid proud.
Hey Scots, Adrian Quadras here, PAC representative. Do you ever feel like you need someone to talk to, get advice from, or help to solve a conflict?
I'm Luke Parra, new PAC member. feel free to come to 5L if you ever need any help.
PAC offers mentorship and support to help through challenges that you might be facing.
Just scan the QR code, and that's it.
Yo, Scots, I'm Frankie Barra. You ever need help catching up on your grades?
I'm Julian Jackson. Highland High School offers free tutoring every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday after school in the library until 5:30 p.m.
Do you know attending tutoring could also help if you missed a day in class?
Each tutoring session counts as 1.5 missed class assignments made up, plus bus transportation home is provided.
Attention Scots!
Big shout out to our Highland Marching Band for an amazing performance. They placed 3rd out of 7 groups in Division 4A.
And congratulations to our color guard who scored 1st place in the division.
Their next performance is happening tomorrow at Ridgeview with a performance time of 7:40 p.m. Let's go show our support, Scots.